Vertical blinds used to be the gold standard for large windows, but today, they make your home feel more like a 1990s doctor's office than the sanctuary it should be. Their aesthetic often clashes with modern preferences for softer, more streamlined looks, frequently associated with offices and schools. Issues like light gaps, fragility, and noise further contribute to their decline, compromising privacy and durability. While favored in the late 20th century for managing sunlight, design trends have shifted towards more aesthetically pleasing and versatile options. Renowned designer Nate Berkus advocates for a tailored aesthetic, favoring Roman blinds, particularly with an inside mount for superior room darkening. He suggests flat folds for a clean look and relaxed folds for a softer feel, recommending mounting treatments higher and wider than the window to enhance space. Modern alternatives to vertical blinds are abundant, offering superior aesthetics and functionality. Panel track blinds provide clean, modern lines, perfect for large windows and sliding doors. Roller shades offer a sleek and simple solution, while cellular shades boast energy-efficient honeycomb construction. Roman shades bring a classic and sophisticated touch, and drapery adds elegance and effective light blocking. For timeless durability, shutters are an excellent choice, providing both style and robust construction. Made in the Shade North Jersey offers custom window treatments, including blinds, shades, shutters, and drapery. We provide professional consultations, precise measuring, and expert installation, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Catering to northern New Jersey homeowners, we offer sustainable materials, bold patterns, layered treatments, and motorized options. The trend is moving away from vertical blinds toward solutions offering superior aesthetics, functionality, and durability. We focus on creating inviting spaces that reflect your personal style and provide optimal comfort and control. Discover the perfect window treatments for your home. Contact Made in the Shade North Jersey today for a personalized design consultation.